In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you how to use SuiteDash to provide real-time updates for your clients and why this tool could be a game changer for your business. Whether you're managing projects, client communication, or just trying to keep everything organized in one place, SuiteDash promises a seamless experience. But is it the best option for real-time client updates? Stick around to find out, as I'll also share some powerful alternatives that might serve your needs even better. First things first, when you dive into SuiteDash, you'll notice the platform offers a centralized client portal, which is key for real-time updates. This means your clients can log in, check progress, and stay informed without having to wait for emails or manual updates. It's a huge time saver for both you and your clients. You can easily add tasks, notes, or status changes directly in the portal, and they get updated instantly. It's designed to ensure that every update is visible without the confusion of multiple platforms or communication channels. Next thing, SuiteDash integrates well with your other tools like calendars, emails, and file sharing, so clients get real-time alerts when things change. For example, when you update a project status, the system sends an automatic notification to your client. It's an intuitive way to keep everyone on the same page, and it really speeds up client response times. But while the integrations are decent, there can be occasional hiccups depending on your specific software stack. The third thing, SuiteDash also allows you to create personalized workflows and automations. This means you can set up automatic reminders or even trigger client notifications based on specific actions you take. Let's say you mark a task as completed or update an invoice. It'll automatically ping your client. This can save hours of manual follow-ups, but in my experience, the automation features can be a bit complex to set up, and there's a learning curve if you're new to the platform. Now, the fourth thing, SuiteDash does allow for real-time chat with your clients through the messaging system, which seems like a pretty solid option for quick updates. However, the chat feature isn't as polished as some of the competition out there, and the user interface could definitely use some improvement. If you're someone who relies heavily on messaging for quick, back-and-forth communication, you might find SuiteDash's messaging a bit clunky. Finally, the fifth thing, while SuiteDash is a great all-in-one solution for client management, there are other tools out there that excel more specifically in real-time communication. If you're looking for something with more robust and faster messaging features, or if you need deeper integration with other apps, you may want to consider alternatives like Honeybook or Dubsado, both of which also offer great free trials. These tools are especially strong in keeping clients up to date in real time and have more intuitive user interfaces that make managing your workflow smoother. They also provide similar features to SuiteDash, but with certain areas of improvement in communication and user experience. So, let's wrap this up. SuiteDash is a solid choice for keeping your clients updated, but it's not without its limitations, especially when compared to alternatives like Honeybook or Dubsado. If real-time updates are a top priority, these alternatives could be more suited to your needs, and they come with great free trials as well. Now, before you go, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link below, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. But don't forget, if you're after a more streamlined experience for real-time client updates, be sure to check out those alternatives I mentioned.